Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add your address to Google Maps so that others could find it. So first of all, what you need to do is of course write down your address on Google Maps. So I'm just going to go to some random address, write down some random address here on Google Maps. And then I'm just going to label it as, for example, home. And now you want to also, of course, this address already exists, but you basically can add like a missing place. And to add a place, you just basically place a name. So, for example, then you will choose from these options. So it's residential. And as you can see, you can choose apartment building and so on. You can edit map location to be more exact. You can save it, add more details. So like hours, contact information, but of course you don't want to do that. And after that, you just basically submit. I'm just gonna discard it. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you add it to the Google Maps. Then after that, they're just gonna review it and they will approve it. I was doing it for my own home, so it definitely works. And yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you add your home address to Google Maps. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.